Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can convert a video into an audio using Xender app. So I'm here on my Xender. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So you just tap on this, the video to MP3 you can see here. So you just tap on that sign at the bottom corner here. So after tapping on that, tap on the select video, and now let me scroll up for a video I want to convert into an audio. Let me tap on this. Good. So when you tap on that, it's going to automatically do that for you. So it's going to take some time. After that, you can share it. But then once it's done, you have it saved on your mobile phone. If you want to share it too, you can, tap on something like this, and then you tap on the share, and then you share it. If you want to delete it too, you just do the same too as well. So that's it on how you can convert a video into an audio when you're using Xender. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.